Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 11th, 2023. This week's theme is art. Blues Art Day, written by K. Emily Hutta, art layout by Niall Harding. Hi there. Blue and I just couldn't stay inside on such a beautiful fall day. We've been out here all morning. Do you want to see what we're doing? You do? Great! We're making art with things we find in our backyard, like these leaf rubbings. Those look really cool. I think I'll give my leaf rubbing to Grandma. Who are you going to give yours to, Blue? Oh, we'll play Blue's Clues to figure out who Blue wants to give her leaf rubbing to. Will you help me? You will? Great! Uh-oh, the wind is blowing our artwork away. I've got this one for you, Steve. Thanks, Pale. I don't think Pale wants to stand on our artwork all day, do you? I wonder what else we could do to keep it from blowing away. Maybe we could put something else that's heavy on the paper so they won't blow away. Yeah, but what? A rock? Good thinking. What's that? You see a clue? The spots. Our first clue is spots. What do you think spots have to do with who Blue wants to give her artwork to? Do you think we need to find 2 more clues? Yeah, me too. Hey, that rock gave me an idea. Let's paint a rock paperweight to hold our papers down. Okay, Blue wants to paint the rock to look like that ladybug. Which rock shape do you think looks the most like a ladybug? Oh, that one. Thanks. Well, we're done. How does it look? Yeah, I think so too. I'll just leave it here in the sun to dry. Oh, you see a clue? A shell? So who could Blue want to give her leaf rubbing to that has spots and a shell? Yeah, I think we need to find our last clue. Hey, nice picture, Blue. A tree with real leaves. That's so cool. But why are you sad, Blue? Oh, Blue only has 3 colors and she wants to make her painting very colorful. Hey, let's mix colors and make some new ones. What happens when we mix red and yellow? Right, we get orange. How about blue and yellow? Yeah, green. And what about red and blue? Purple. We did it. We helped make 3 new colors for Blue to paint with. Thanks. Oh no, it's starting to rain. We better take all of our artwork inside. Come on. Whew, just in time. What's that? You see a clue? The aquarium. That's our 3rd clue. It's time to go to our thinking chair. Let's see. Our clues are spots, a shell, and an aquarium. So who could Blue want to give her leaf rubbing to? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's ask Blue. Hey Blue, do you want to give your leaf rubbing to your pet turtle Turquoise? You do? We did it! We just figured out Blue's clues. It looks like Turquoise loves her picture. Thanks for helping with Blue's Clues. It sure was a great way to spend a fall day. The end. We're going to make a leaf collage. What you'll need is some glue. I have tacky glue, but regular glue would work. Maybe even a glue stick. And your Craft-to-Go kit, which includes a large piece of construction paper and a bunch of fake leaves. Now this would be really fun to do later in the fall when the leaves have changed color with real leaves, but for now we just have to use the pretend ones. So all I'm gonna do is open up my construction paper so that it's all open. And I'm just gonna glue the leaves on different places and make a really pretty collage. I'm gonna put one right in the middle. Nice big red one. And I'm just gonna put them all around. You can do it however you want, and I'll show you what mine looks like when it... And this is it. This is what my leaf collage looks like. and I'm sure yours is just as beautiful.